KTM 2024 began with a web presentation to reveal the new RC16 liveries. If in the Sepang tests we had seen many innovations, especially aerodynamic, on the Austrian bikes, for the livery we went for the classic one, with the sponsor Red Bull taking center stage and KTM orange in the lower part of the fairing. What will have to change during the year will be the results, to try to make life difficult for Ducati. Brad Binder can't wait to get started. The progression over the last few years has been good. 11th, 6th, 6th and 4th, so, yes, I have no doubt that I will do better than 4th place. Last season was fantastic at times and difficult at other times. I felt like we had something more in our pocket. We were much more competitive every weekend and always fighting for the podium. This season we can make a difference. It's great to really start 2024. It will be my 10th season with Red Bull KTM factory racing and it's been an incredible journey. We have always been united and have always had the same goal in mind. I think we've always gotten along really well together and I'm really happy with where I'm at. The only thing left for me to do is try to finish the job in Motogp. Jack Miller must also demonstrate that he can consistently play in the top positions. 2023 was a year of learning and growth for me, as a person and as a driver. Towards the second half of the season one had become familiar with the bike and was able to start fighting for the positions we needed. At KTM, when they find something or a path, new ideas, better ideas and strategies, they put in all the effort to bring him to the track as soon as possible. Having this strength, this motivation and this support from the company is fantastic for a driver. In 2023 I failed to achieve all my wishes. I have a new list for 2024.